Today I will show you how to connect the Gemini app on your Android phone to other apps. This will allow Gemini to access and interact with services like Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and other supported apps so it can help you manage tasks, find information, and complete actions more easily. To do this, open the Gemini app, tap on the account icon in the top right corner, then tap on Gemini App Activity. Under Keep Activity, tap Off and turn it on. Then tap Got it. Now close this window. Tap on the account icon again, then tap on Connected Apps. Here you will see the list of apps that you can connect to Gemini. For example, enabling Google Workspace will enable Gmail, Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, and other related services. You can also connect Google Home, YouTube Music, WhatsApp, and other supported apps. To connect WhatsApp to Gemini, simply turn on the button next to it. All done. You can do the same for any other app. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.